Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a powerful flat tummy remedy that really works and shows results within weeks. If you've been struggling to get rid of that belly fat, this recipe will help speed up the process with some simple ingredients. Let's dive in. For this magical remedy, we'll need the following ingredients, which are known for their fat-burning and metabolism-boosting properties. Lemon detoxifies your body, boosts digestion, and is rich in vitamin C, which helps burn fat. Cucumber, a great diuretic that helps reduce bloating and water retention. It's also low in calories and high in fiber. Ginger, an amazing fat burner that also reduces inflammation and boosts metabolism. Mint leaves. These help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and freshen your breath. You can add them whole, but for maximum benefit, lightly crush or muddle them to release more essential oils. Cumin seeds boosts metabolism and burns fat faster. Honey, a natural energy booster that also helps burn fat. Water. Hydration is key to maintaining a flat tummy and flushing toxins from your body. If you're excited to try this remedy, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips. Your support helps me create more great content for you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something specific you'd like to see on the channel. While this remedy is powerful on its own, it's important to support it with a balanced diet and regular exercise to see the best results. Here are some quick tips. Balanced diet. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid sugary drinks and processed snacks. Instead, opt for healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Eat smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day to keep your metabolism active. Stay hydrated with plenty of water throughout the day, as it helps digestion and fat burning. Exercise routine. Include cardio exercises like walking, jogging, or cycling for at least 30 minutes, 4 to 5 times a week. Do core strengthening exercises like planks, crunches, and leg raises to target belly fat. Incorporate strength training 2 to 3 times a week to build muscle and boost your metabolism. Don't forget to stretch and stay active throughout the day. Here's how to prepare this refreshing and effective flat tummy drink. Start by boiling 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds in 2 cups of water for about 5 minutes. Let it cool. In a blender, add half a cucumber, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and the juice of 1 lemon. Blend well. Once the cumin water has cooled, strain it and mix it with the cucumber, lemon, and ginger juice. Add a handful of mint leaves to the mixture. You can add them whole, but for better results, lightly crush the leaves to release more of their beneficial oils. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of honey to sweeten the drink and give it a boost of energy. Mix everything together and enjoy this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for the best results. Drink this flat tummy remedy every day for 2 to 3 weeks, along with following a balanced diet and regular exercise, and you'll start noticing visible changes. This combination helps reduce bloating, speeds up your metabolism, and burns that stubborn belly fat naturally. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more effective and natural health tips. See you next time.